Alright, hello guys, and today we are reporting live on Chuck the Puncher. Now let's see what Chuck the Puncher's up to on the spy camera. Alright, so I had no idea he watched that. So let's go back to the spy camera and see if he's still watching that.
In the bushes.
What is it?
Do you see an animal hiding in the
Right there!
A fox! What's the fox's name?
Swiper!
Swiper?
That's right. I'm Swiper, and I'm gonna swipe those shiny red boots.
No!
Dora, help!
Swiper, no swiping!
We have to stop Swiper. What do you think we should say to stop Swiper?
Swiper, no swiping!
Swiper, no swiping.
Swiper, no swiping!
Swiper, no swiping.
Swiper, no swiping! Swiper, no swiping!
Oh, man!
Please stop Swiper! Please stop Swiper!
Woo!
Did you see me? Thanks, Dora.
Yep, he's into it. He likes Dora the Explorer. So, alright, I'm just gonna go check about, well, that's enough with the spy camera. So, let's just go, I'm just gonna get the real camera that you can see. We're at the camera crew boss. Alright? Alright, 12 o'clock. It's almost 3 hours away. Can I, bring them in now? No, you dummy, that's... Okay, that's just a warning. 12 o'clock, okay? Now, we're going to bring the camera crew over to him, and we'll see the reason why he is, watching that, because he's all tough and stuff. Yeah, he can't be watching like Dora the Explorer. Alright, got it. Alright, boys. Camera, fire up. Alright. So, we've gotten them to... Alright, let's switch to those cameras, alright? Bye. I think this is where he is. Alright, here we go. Wait, did you cut it? No? They cut it! Okay.
Don't stand up.
How'd you guys get here?
Wow. I'm okay.
Why did you guys get here? I thought you guys wouldn't come in here. Camera 1 is down. I repeat, camera 1 is down.
Good afternoon. I'm just wondering if I could make an appointment.
Sorry guys, I had a meeting.
Next Tuesday.
Okay, Chuck the Puncher just punched the camera 1.
Yep, sure.
Well, they have to pay like,
Sure.
well,
First name, Sean.
the cameraman's okay. It's just the camera. Camera 1's down. So they're gonna try and get camera 2 in there to
It's follow-up.
video him and just. Alright, so we're gonna video him. No, I had no idea. He watched that show. Okay, so do you not want to do it?
No, I do want to do it.
Alright.
It's just,
That is it for now.
I don't think I've done enough.
We'll report another time on Chuck the Puncher once he's settled down. Alright? Alright, bye.
Maybe.
He knows you're